In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Bible study database in Notion. We'll start by opening Notion and creating a fresh page. Name it Bible Study Journal so it's easy to find later, and so every study entry lives in the same place. This page will be the home base for all your notes and reflections. On this page, create the database you'll use to track your studies. Type /table and choose Table View to insert an inline database right on the page. An inline table lets you take notes above or below it while still seeing your study log, which is perfect for ongoing journaling. Next, customize the columns so they capture exactly what you want to remember. Keep the default name column as the title of each study. For example, John 1 Study. Add a date property to record when you did the study, using the date picker so you can sort or view by time later. Add a passage text property, where you'll write the scripture reference, like John 1, 1-18. Add a topic or theme property set to multi-select, so you can tag entries with themes such as faith, grace, or wisdom. And even stack multiple themes on one study. Finally, add a status property set to select, with options like not started, in progress, and completed. Color. Coding these makes progress easy to scan at a glance. To speed up your note-taking, create a study template. Click the arrow next to the blue New button, then choose plus New Template. Build a simple layout around the SOAP method. Add a section for scripture, where you paste the passage or key verses. Add observation, where you summarize what the text says and any insights that stand out. Add application, where you write how this applies to your life today. And add prayer, a space to respond in your own words. Saving this template means every time you click New, your study opens with the same helpful structure. Finally, add a couple of views so you can look at the same data different ways. Create a calendar view based on your date property to see your reading plan or study rhythm across the month. Then add a board view grouped by status, giving you a simple workflow from not started to completed. That's it! You now have a clean, reusable Bible study journal in Notion that keeps your notes organized and your progress visible. Thanks for watching.